Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to teach you some baseball pitch grips and basically what they do. Alright, so I'm going to start off with like the most basic ones, and then we're going to progress a little bit. So first we're going to start with a regular four-seam fastball. So the reason you want this pitch is basically just you need a strike, or you want to know where the ball's going at all times, basically. So how you're gonna hold this is you're gonna find this part of the ball, the horseshoe. There's 4 of them on here. So you want to find it, and you're gonna put your fingers on here, just like this. Okay, you're gonna put them close together. People start out mostly like this, but if you put your fingers closer together, it's a lot better. It makes you throw it harder and makes the ball spin more. And then you want to tuck your thumb right down here, and then you'll just throw it like a regular baseball, or however you throw. And it'll just go straight. So that's about it. The other fastballs you can throw is a two-seam fastball. So you're basically just finding this little area on the ball right here, and you're just gonna put your fingers right inside the ball, maybe with your middle finger just a little bit on here. And when you throw it, it's gonna be the same motion, and it's going to kind of like dip away from the hitter, or gonna go in on a right-handed hitter. And then the next pitch is a sinker. So this is kind of the same as a two-seam. It's a little different though. So it's kind of like the same area of the ball we're looking right here, but we're gonna move it up to this inner of the horseshoe. So we're gonna put our finger right up in here, another one here, and then we're gonna put our thumb right here on the side. And when we throw it, we're gonna get a little bit of pronation in there. So like that. So we throw it, we want to pronate a little bit, making the ball do the same as a two-seam, just a little of a sharper bite to the downward angle. So the next pitch is a changeup. There's many different ways to hold it. This is how I hold it. I do a little split grip on this little area right here. Split it down the middle. Little circle right here. And when I throw it, I'm also pronating this way. This is kind of the same as the sinker, but the object of this one's less slow and have more of a movement basically than the sinker and the two-seam. A lot of people, when they throw it, they find this horseshoe right here, or this horseshoe, and then you're gonna put your fingers right here like a fastball, and then you're just gonna circle it right there. You do the same. You pitch it the same way. And then my next pitch I'm going to teach you is a curveball. This is actually a widely used pitch by a lot of people. Most of these pitch grips are actually all the same, believe it or not. So we're going to find this part on the ball again. We're gonna line up our middle finger right on that seam right here, and we're gonna follow it with this as well, and then we're gonna put the thumb right down here. And when we throw this one, you want to be like karate chopping, basically. You want to karate chop down with it, and it's going to make the ball kind of float in the air, and then it's just going to drop, which is a very effective pitch. Next, we are going to try the slider. This one is like it's going to move more horizontally than vertically. So that's the difference between the curveball and curveball and slider. So how we're going to hold this one is basically the same. We're going to find this spot, but we're going to go across. We're going to go across these laces, so your middle finger is just barely in the middle of this one. And when we throw it, we want to get more around it when we throw it, so we want to throw it like around instead of over the top. Now these are some more like unusual pitches, I'd say, that people don't throw as much. So the first one is, this one's called a splitter. So you're basically just splitting the ball between your fingers, and when you throw it, you're throwing it like a regular fastball, and the object of this is just to go look like a strike the whole way and then drop off the plate. Pretty effective if you can throw it. It's a very hard one to throw. The next one I'm going to show you is the knuckleball. So really the object of this is you can really hold it wherever, but you don't want to be holding any seams on the ball at all. No seams. This is the traditional grip for it, I'd say. but you can also hold it with 3 of your fingers on here. You can have 2 on and have your pinky out. Honestly, it's just preference on how you want to throw it and what works the best for you. So really that pitch is just like one to really just confuse everybody because you have no idea where it's really going when you throw it. It could go up here, it could go down here, it's going to move all over the place.